This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Mecum Harrisburg auctions. We're checking out this very, very rare 1970 Cord. It's the Royale replica, and that's with an E at the end. These were built on Jeep chassis, rear-wheel drive with V8 if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to double check in a minute. Styled, of course, after the infamous 810 Cords, 810, 812. Of course, you can see it's really more of a modern rendition with squatted down. Don't be mixed up with the other, the 810 reproduction, which was earlier Corvair powered front-wheel drive. This one is a 440 automatic. Let's see, power steering, power brakes. I'm going to open up the door here. 37 Cord. That's a cute touch. Actually, almost looks like Jeep type seats in there. Oh, look how tight that foot is. Wow. Automatic, power windows, air conditioning. That wood header up there. That's more or less a quote-unquote seat. True wire wheels. Triumph Spitfire tail lights. Could be TR3 also. Probably use the same knowing the Brits. No trunk lid. These were 1 year only, very rare birds. What's interesting is that this style, the Cord, has been reproduced so many times. This is the third one which really came through. Actually, quite a striking car, very interesting. Very, very interesting. I find it fascinating. I'm curious if the hood is open, or how one opens it. Is it still pinned? Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to start unpinning and opening. Now again, it's a Jeep 440 running gear. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. I don't know why this camera is going in and out. We're going to have to do something about that. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Mecum Harrisburg auction. Make sure you check it out. It runs Thursday through Saturday. For more cool events like this, check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.